सेशन 3 KYP CLS सेशन 3 स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हम लोग। लैब में आएंगे। विच प्रोनाउन डू वी यूज़ व्हेन टॉकिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्फ? अपने बारे में जब हम लोग बात करते हैं तो कौन से प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं? अपने बारे में आई। विच इज़ द करेक्ट वर्ब टू प्रोनाउन ही के साथ वॉक्स? द प्रोनाउन यू इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन यू। Second person singular. Match the pronoun on the left, the correct description on the right. C, a female person. He, a male person. I, the person speaking. Match the pronoun with the correct verb from to eat. I eat, he, she eats. Drag the correct verb to match to each pronoun. I, he eats, she eats, they eat, I play. Use the correct form. He and verb. Example, he walked. Write a sentence using pronoun he and a verb that ends with the s in the present simple tense. He walks to school. He runs. Write two sentences, one using he and one using they with the verb play. He runs. Okay, run. Which verb form is correct with the pronoun she? She eats. We add an s on the form of using they. False. Correct one. Wake up. Drag and drop. Wake up. Rastit. In order. सबसे पहले wake up होगा, wake up, respect, Hear the question and select the correct answer. Hear the question. अब क्वेश्चन सुनना है हमें और उसी के अनुसार सही आंसर लगाना है. Put these activity in the correct order for making routine. सबसे पहले हम लोग उठते हैं, उठने के बाद ब्रश करते हैं, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं। Describe your morning routine, at least 3 action verbs. Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. They eat. We eat lunch together. Write a sentence using we and eat. We eat food. We usually have lunch in the morning. Lunch in the morning through lunch. It's a pause. Arrange this sentence as singular object to plural object. Singular, click to reveal. What is the correct word to complete the sentence? I eat rice is a false. Write a sentence using the verb run with the pronoun she. She runs faster. 6 a.m. हम लोग थर्ड एक्टिविटी भी चलेंगे, डेट इज fill in the blanks with time words. Start. Match the demonstrative word to its meaning. This with something singular and near. That is something singular and far. These something plural and near. Those something plural and far. Maybe with the demonstrative. Okay, this is my book. Okay, these are my shoes. This is far away on the road. Which demonstrative do we use for many objects close to us? These. Which demonstrative we use for far away from us and one object? That. Put the demonstrative in order to nearest to farthest. नज़दीक से दूर. Yes. These. That. Those. Type the sentence using this and one those. Books. Fill in the blanks. See goes. Reveal the. Click each pronoun to reveal the correct. बस click करना है और cut करना है. Click करना है and cut करना है और submit करना है. These refer to the plural things near to us. Yes, true. Okay, which demonstrator is used to refer a group or things far away? Do holes. Fill in the blanks. I go to bed at night at. 8 by 8 is the right answer. Next. Next कर रहे हैं ना. Okay, think about what you do in a normal day and write 3 simple sentences about your routine. ठीक है.
दिन जिससे बच्चा है बच्चा है करें लॉगिन से
एक उसको करने उसको कर लिखा ना पहले.